Hey guys, it's Dimitri here, and in this video I'm gonna show you the Codepen game Planet Defense by Marc López. And if this is your first time here, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any future video. Now let's jump to our video. So this is the JavaScript Planet Defense game by Marc López. We have our maybe ship where we have to kill some kind of meteorites. Let's start it and see how far we can go. The beginning is more easy because the meteorites don't move really fast. And they're pretty big. I can hit it from any point. But in future, these meteorites will become more and more fast. And it will be more and more difficult to actually hit these meteorites. And like you see in the center of our planet, it looks like the sun, this planet, is the score we have made so far. 56, 57. Some meteorites are more fast from others. It's really nice game. I like it. It's one of my favorites, to be honest. Come on. There will be one point in time where every time when you hit the shooting, you will hit something even without trying to targeting something. Oh. Well, it's game over. We make some decent meteorite killing. Let's check the code. Basically, this is the HTML part, the CSS over here. I don't see any imports. And the vanilla JavaScript, where you can check what happened actually in the game with every click and so on. I guess this will be for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, hit the like button and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.